The first question is, rice, soy sauce, and fish sauce are traditional ingredients in what type of cooking? The correct answer is B, Vietnamese. Question 2. Naples is a major city in which European country? The correct answer is C, Italy. Question 3. The lowest temperature in the U.S. was recorded where? The correct answer is B, Alaska. Question 4. Which is the capital of Kenya? The correct answer is B, Nairobi. Question 5. Which of these is an American chain of clothing retailers? The correct answer is B, Forever 21. Question 6. Which of these is a river in Africa? The correct answer is C, Zambezi. Question 7. Which zoo is found in Regent's Park? The correct answer is B, London. Question 8. In terms of surface area, what is the largest of the Great Lakes? The correct answer is B, Superior. Question 9. What is the dominant religion of Nepal? The correct answer is B, Hinduism. And the last question is, which country is St. Helier the capital of? The correct answer is C, Jersey. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.